Tesla Diner Drive-In and Supercharger Update. Tesla continues to make progress on its upcoming diner, drive-in theater and supercharger in Los Angeles. With recent drone footage showing new water runoff infrastructure, preparations for stucco installation on the first-floor walls, and seemingly, materials for the start of some interior construction. In a drone video update shared by YouTube channel 247 Tesla on Sunday, you can see new stacks of sheetrock both inside and outside of entrances to the Tesla Diner building, as construction prepares to begin focus on interiors. The video also shows a new rectangular area dug roughly 5 feet deep into the ground, which the video's host says will likely be used to control water runoff. In addition, you can see shots of the site's power shed, though it doesn't include transformers or batteries as of yet. The diner building's walls surrounding the first-floor structure have also now been covered with a waterproofing sealer. The host notes, which is usually installed prior to stucco being applied. Watch the full video from 247 Tesla below. The channel recently also shared a video detailing some of the work on the diner building's top deck finish work and seating, and another showing shots of the first of 2 movie theater projector screens going up. The upcoming supercharger, located at 7001 West Santa Monica Boulevard in Los Angeles, California, is expected to house a 1950s-style diner, a drive-in movie theater playing clips, and, of course, roughly 32 supercharger stalls for Tesla owners to charge. Tesla broke ground on the unique diner and supercharger location in September after receiving a series of construction approvals throughout 2023. Dubbed Milliways in renders, referring to the restaurant at the end of the universe in novel The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. The diner was originally envisioned by CEO Elon Musk to include waiters on roller skates, rock and roll music, and a highlight reel of the best scenes in movie history. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.